Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Osmo and your phone. Plug in if battery is low. Open Google Play and install DJI Mimo because the app manages firmware and camera feeds. Once done, give the app location and storage permissions so file transfer and connection discovery work. Make sure Android Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on as the Osmo negotiates via both. If a USB connection is prompted, use a high-quality OTG cable. This gets you past the basic barriers and into pairing. You now open DJI Mimo and choose the Osmo model shown. The app needs that to load the right controls. Follow the on-screen prompts, pair over Bluetooth first, then switch to Wi-Fi hotspot if the camera uses its own network. This hands over video stream duties. If you chose USB, set the Android USB mode to file transfer or camera tethering as requested, because the app needs direct access. Once paired, configure resolution and gimbal calibration so footage is stable. You finish by calibrating the gimbal and testing live view, recording a short clip to confirm controls and audio. If the app prompts a firmware update, install it now. Firmware aligns protocols and often fixes connectivity. Then restart both devices to apply changes. If something goes wrong, try a different OTG cable, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, or clear the app cache. These steps remove common software and hardware conflicts. Finally, retry pairing. Persistence usually resolves intermittent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.